Namaste. I just finished recording a flip through for this book, and I have kept this page open here because I'm too lazy to go and find another book to do a review of these pencils. So, these all are Kohinoor pencils, and the reason why I purchased them was, well, they are just something different, and I thought it would be fun to check them out. So, let's start. Uh, this one is supposed to be, it's not supposed to be, it is uh, multicolor lead, and let's have a look at them. So I'm not sure how many were there in the box. Should be 12, I think so, but let's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 12 pencils. I don't think that they are different from each other, are they? Uh, mm, I oh my god! I dropped one. I hope I didn't break the lid. No. Yeah, they don't look different. The only difference is maybe the placement of the lead colors. So that's why they will be unique, each one of them, but basically it's having the same shades, a yellow, a red, and a blue, dark blue. Yeah. Now let's look at the pencil separately. It's a beautiful golden color. I really like that. There's a number here, 080. I'm not sure what that means. It's the same number on all the four pencils. Then of course there is another long number which is also the same on all the pencils. I again I'm not sure what it is for. There's a barcode, then there's Kohinoor, and then there's 3400. Again, I don't know what it means. That being said, it's the same information on every pencil, so there's no difference in the digits or the barcode. It's exactly the same. So I'm believing these pencils are exactly the same. Now let's see. Uh, so they have covered the original label with another label, and then that label also they have covered with another label. This one reads Magic Special Bunt Stift Myth something something. I'm very 12 sticks. I think this is German language, but I wish they would have left on the original label. I would have appreciated that. And this is from the Czech Republic, manufactured probably. I'm actually trying to find out more about like the lead texture or something like that. I can't find anything on the box because I think it is covered by this label, and I don't think I will be able to peel this. It's, yeah, it's more or less stuck. Oh, I'm able to. Let's see. So 3400, that was the number. So this is, I think, the type of pencil, but I don't know what the 3400 stands for. If any of you know what it is for, let me know. And so basically this is special pencils. This is what I can understand from the various languages, special colored pencil. uh, Other than that, there's nothing much I can glean from here. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's see what is so special about these. Okay, so I'll start by maybe writing my name. That's how it's looking. So it's nice. It is easily blending from one color into another. When I'm writing it, it's quite smooth. It's not extremely soft, but it's not a hard lead in the sense it doesn't scratch the paper. And this is not even good quality paper. This is Amazon paper. So imagine if I'm having so much ease just writing here, then it should be even better. Let's try something more. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit. Okay, so now let me see if I can do something more with this one. Sorry for my horrible drawing, but this is how it's looking. And let's see if I have to color, how will it look. So if I'm careful and I pay attention to what color is the lead on the side that is touching the paper, then I can actually more or less control what color is being laid out, and that's how it looks. So this is how a circle is looking, and let's try to fill it in. This is so much fun. I'm actually enjoying it. So I'm trying to turn the pencil with every move, and I'm seeing if it makes much difference. Yeah, this way it doesn't make much difference unless I turn the pencil, but I think when you do something more continuous, then it gives you a much better effect. So for example, if I have to do this, let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, okay. They are very soft in the sense the tip goes off very fast, like it's losing its sharpness um, pretty fast. It's not very hard, uh, the lead. So, and it's very pleasing experience to lay it on paper, but it also means that it loses its point very fast, like it's already become blunt. So I'm going to pick up another pencil to finish what I was doing. I think I drew the trees a bit too close to each other. There's no space for the leaves. Okay, so that's my attempt with this pencils, and it was fun. I think it's nice. I don't know. I'm not I'm not an artist by any means, and my drawing is like it will leave a lot to be desired. But I think it is quite fun. If I have to, like, in the sense of what I will use for these pencils for, I'll probably use them only for coloring and not really drawing anything. Um, but yeah, it's not bad, and I think I can go further and try and color the sun or the moon, depends what color comes out, and then a little bit of color here. Yeah, not bad. So I today is 14th July 2021. That's when I'm recording this. I don't know when it will be up, but yeah. So let me know, what did you think about these pencils. I thought they were a lot of fun. So this is how it looks when you write with them. I attempted a very bad flower. Then I tried to attempt just drawing a sphere and lines, and then I tried to draw a picture, and this is the outcome. I think it's nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed these pencils, and if you are a crazy person like me who likes to experiment with things, please go ahead and purchase them and enjoy having uh, enjoy doing funny things with them. So thanks for watching. Thanks for having stopped by. Please do subscribe if you have not yet done so, and I look forward to you joining me on more videos. Have a nice day. Bye.